This is my second time recording this because the first time I didn't quite understand how she worked. And the problem is I was saying, hey Furby, and I was supposed to say ciao Furby and wait for the command of her saying what's wrong, hey, and then I can tell her the command. So this is how she works. Ciao Furby, fammi un ballo. Ciao Furby, cantami una canzone.
Brilla, brilla, oh stellina.
So yeah, safe to say she works really fine for being 20 years old, and I cannot wait to spend another 20 years together, maybe 10 years in the attic.
Amare te.
Oh, she said she loves me. Hey Furby, hey Furby, hey Furby. Ok, ciao Furby, ciao Furby. Raccontami una barzelletta.
Toc toc.
Chi è?
Pina.
Pina chi?
Pina, ascolti una canzoncina.
I think the video is done. The cat decided it's done, so see you next time. Bye bye.